Good day to all of you. This is Ron at the DJ for on the DJ podcast, and glad you were covering or we're here at the showroom of Botanica Nature residences here in Fininvest City in Alabang Muntinlupa City. So we're here, Miss Lani Moreno, and you're the
I'm a senior sales consultant for the exclusive collection of Philinvest.
yeah. So can you describe us the entire property?
Okay, so Botanica Nature Residences is actually a high-end, low-rise, low-density project of Philinvest. It's going to be located beside the Palms Country Club and across Palms Point Residences, which would make it a very exclusive and very upscale development.
So that means that this property belongs to the high-end type of condo living.
Yes, that's right. And it's going to be the first high-end project here in the south of Metro Manila.
Oh, that's good to know. I already watched the EB. In fact, we already pre-recorded the amenities and what to expect about this new project by Philinvest. So, based on what we saw, the first floor the first condo building will be around will be 13 floors. How about the second and the third building?
It's going to be 14 and 15 floor stories consecutively.
So, in terms of since we all know that people are so ready relied into internet. So, are the units already internet ready? Or
There will be, I believe, with other new projects of Philinvest, there will be like a um, fiber optic provision for the units.
yes,
So it's just going to be a provision.
yes. Aside from the fact that it is a nature themed kind of
That's right.
residence.
That's right. And it's actually towards the eco-friendly kind of living, condo living. Yes, that's
Yes.
right. Mhm.
Do we also expect to have a so-called water basin or some water catching architecture?
Okay. Actually, what we have right now is that it's actually Verde registered. So whatever it is that is being considered Verde, registered company, we have this several what do you call it? Several concepts that we have to follow
Yes.
because we are going to be accredited also by Verde once the structure is already up. So with regards to the basin, if it's in regulation with the Verde concept, then we will have it. Otherwise, there will be a different kind of water uh, dispensing and even
Or
waste segregation for the entire
so we
project.
call the catch basin.
Yeah, so it's going to be, I guess, it's going to be very different because we will be Verde certified. So Verde is actually building for ecologically, what do you call this?
Oh, that's an acronym.
Yes, it is. It is it's an acronym, but it's going to be designed to coincide, to coexist actually with the environment. So we're not harming the environment when we build this development.
Um, uh, we're already amazed by the amenities that
It's going
Botanica
to
is.
be very, very world class and very, very exclusive and high end.
How about the stability of the structure itself? Because I'm more concerned because Muntinlupa is one of the cities behind um, the West Valley fault line. So how about the structure?
Okay, so with regards to earthquakes and fault lines, Philinvest has actually hired a group of engineers to foresee the building structure. Um, so it's a different team who will ensure the safety of the building. And they're called macro.
Yes. What's a
That's
macro?
it's a different. That's the name of the team. So there really are specific engineers for that.
In the Philippines or
They're here in the Philippines.
yeah.
Yes. So they aim to ensure that if there will be an earthquake here in this area, minimal or no damage will be done to the property, especially for Botanica Nature Residences. Again, this is a 6 billion project by Philinvest. So Philinvest will actually not risk its name.
Yeah.
And they really have to invest on these people, on these professionals to ensure the safety of their residents.
Yeah, that's because uh, that's the common doubt for those people who want to go to the condo living lifestyle, because obviously we don't want to waste our investment by
Of course, that's right. And again, this is just a low-rise
Yeah.
condo project.
Yeah.
So with with these kinds of projects, low-rise projects, there wouldn't you really wouldn't feel the impact of an earthquake unless it's really, really that massive. But if you're in a low-rise condo living or you're in a low-rise condominium, the damage wouldn't be as great as that, staying in a high-rise condo.
Yes. Philinvest labeled this project as one of for the exclusive collection. So what does it mean?
Okay. Philinvest has been in the business here in the Philippines, both real estate and commercial, for 50 years. With that, we have affordable homes to exclusive or to very premier, which is Philinvest Premier, and the exclusive collection is actually the most upscale. So only very, very few people would actually be part of this exclusive collection. That's why it's called exclusive. So it's actually a new category of high-end residential spaces.
So does it mean it will there's gonna be another project after this to be belong in
There will be definitely another project, but this is the launching project
Yeah.
of the exclusive collection.
Oh, okay.
So nothing else would be more exclusive than this at the moment.
Yes. So can you describe us the difference in terms of amenities compared to the existing properties that already saw?
Okay, so for Philinvest, this will be actually very world class. Apart from it being eco-friendly,
Yes.
we're actually offering the concept of having it, it's as if you're living in a village. It's village charm at its finest. It's not as if you are living in a condo na four corners, four sides, and then when you go out, you just go and leave. It's a place where you really stay. There are gardens, there are parks, there are meditation areas. So you really get to enjoy that and feel that you're in a village.
Oh.
And then we will be having amenities such as tiered pools. We'll be having sky lounge. We'll be having wellness centers, meditation areas, which would really cater to, one's self worth. If they want to have events, we can have that because there's also going to be an events hall,
Yeah.
social gatherings. We've covered everything actually.
By the Sky Lounge, you mean in all three buildings?
No, it's going to be on the third tower. So for the first stage of the development, we will be having the tiered pools and Tower 1. So Tower 1 would actually, and we'll also be having the playground, play amenities there. For stage 2, we'll have the wellness facilities such as the gym, we'll have the wellness centers like the meditation areas, we'll have those for the third phase. And then for the second phase rather. Then for the third phase, we'll have the Sky Lounge and social halls.
Yeah. Course of green living is Botanica will also gonna do some greener energy measures in the near future.
That's in the works because again, we are Verde registered. So if it's in their concept, then we have to comply with that. Also for this project, what we mean also by being eco-friendly, the entire project kasi is 1.55 hectares. Okay. Now, 70% of the entire project will actually be allocated to lush greeneries and amenities. So just imagine only 30% will be allotted for the three towers.
Oh,
So it's really, really green all throughout.
yes.
We'll have gardens in the middle of the tower. So it's going to be, like this. And then it's going to be an atrium. When you go outside, you get to breathe fresh air. And it's open also. We have a sunroof. And it's open. So air will actually ventilate in and out the tower. So that's why it's really, really eco-friendly. We'll have plant boxes all throughout. It's it's really the greener side of living.
Yeah. Um, may I ask, is there a plan for Botanica to have an exclusive entrance and exit to Festival Super Mall?
No, that's going to be very far because again, the
It's very
location
near,
will
yeah.
be right beside the Palms Country Club.
Yeah.
So it's going to be very exclusive. Basically, there won't be any access at all to Festival Super Mall. It's going to be a bit far of a walk.
Of course, we need to walk right there to the Festival Super Bowl. So,
It's not going to be here, huh? It's not this area. It's on the other side. It's very exclusive. It's not here.
Oh.
It's very, very exclusive.
yes. So, how about the payment options? Do you already have the table or?
Yes, we have that ready, but for now we only have three payment terms. First is the 95.5, which would mean that after the reservation fee of 100,000, we get to settle the 95% of the total contract price after 30 days, and then the remaining 5% would be upon turnover or after 45 months. So that's basically by the fourth quarter of 2014. Now the second payment option is called 30/70, wherein 30% would be settled after 30 days. After 30 days and upon reservation, and then the 70 would be settled into or will be deferred into 45 months. It's deferred payment. Now the last payment option is called 10/90, wherein after the reservation fee of 100,000 pesos has been settled, 30 days after that, we should be able to settle the 10% of the total contract price, and the remaining balance of 90% would be staggered into 45 months.
Yeah. About the payment options, from the three payment options that you mentioned, I hope there's no increasing of monthly payment every year or every month because there are some properties who are doing that measure.
It's actually the three payment options would all be zero interest. So it's zero interest until the 45th month.
We mean about, for example, on the first year I'm paying 20,000.
Okay.
Then on the second year
No, it's
already
all,
paying
it's all
25.
staggered payments for the balance.
Yes.
For the balance, that's what we have. For example, a unit is around. Let me see. Let's say it's around 16 million. It's already plus the VAT, plus the two-car parking, which is the car parking is already inclusive of the total contract price.
Yes.
Right? So for example, let's try to get an example. So for example, we get the payment term of 30/70. Just an example. We settle 100,000 today, and then on December 30, we settle around 7 million because it would already include the VAT, and other charges. Okay, starting January 2014 until September 30, 2017, we are going to settle 265,000.
Okay. So that's
So
good
that's
to know.
45 months. But on the last month as well, of course, we would have to settle other charges.
Yes.
The transfer fees, which is always, it's always part. It's a standard, in buying a property.
Yeah, that's good to know because we're kind of side for those properties who are who took that measure.
Yes,
Yeah, took that
that's
measure.
right. So for here, there won't be any interest to be applied if it's staggered into 45 months.
Um, Based on the three payment option that you mentioned, those three, or I mean, all of the three payment options that you mentioned are already available for 45 months for now, or there's gonna be more payment options in the near future.
We might have a different payment options, a different payment option coming in by next month. Hopefully, we will, and then I will
Of
inform
course,
you.
yeah. Of course, we're gonna update that on the podcast and also
Yes.
for our blog right there.
Yes.
So, for our parting words, can you invite our listeners to take uh, uh, you're interested in Botanica Nature Residences?
So everyone, I'm inviting you to visit us at our sales atrium located at uh, Commerce Corner Corporate Avenues here in Philinvest City in Muntinlupa, so we can take you a tour on this new eco-friendly community which is provided by Philinvest. You may get in touch with me at 0920-957-5264. And again, this is Lani Moreno.
Yeah.
Or you can send me an email at Botanica, that's BOTANIKA dot residences dot ph at gmail.com.